It's so hot. 38 weeks problem, baby. 38-week problem. Woo, Jesus Christ.
I've been throw up the sex in her. I've been throw up the sex in her. I've been throw up the sex in her. And I can put you in. I've been throw up the sex in her. I've been throw up the sex in her. And I can put you in. I've been
Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. While you guys are here, don't forget to comment, don't forget to like and subscribe. By the title of the video, you already know I want you guys to nest with me. I'm just going to give you guys an update on where I'm at with my pregnancy. Right now, your girl is 38 weeks. It's about to get like real. Like I said, I was gonna get real in my last video, but it's about to get really real, okay? Like really real. Like I'm about to be somebody's mama. Like oh my goodness, I will be going into labor in less than probably 2 weeks. That is insane. But you know what? Y'all already know how my faith operates. I feel in my spirit and in my heart that I'm going to be just fine, regardless of whatever negative stories that people try to project on me. Like, that's gonna be a whole nother video, but don't let any of my expecting moms out there or new moms, don't let anybody project their negative pregnancy experiences on you. I understand sometimes there are risks. Things do happen because you are bringing a whole human being inside of the world. But babies, some of the stories y'all can say, okay? Some of the stories y'all can really say. But let's get right into the video. Okay, so basically what we're gonna go over first, y'all, I'm gonna show you guys what I have in my hospital bag. Well, the baby's bag, because he has one bag and I have a hospital bag. And I'm gonna have 3 bags in all. So I'm gonna show you guys what I have, what I packed so far as a new mom. And I'm also going to have these items linked so you don't have to go on Amazon and search and look and all that type of stuff. I will provide a whole full list for you to pack into your hospital bag. Now, for my birthing plan, I do have a C-section on there just in case there is an emergency, like last resort. My goal is to not have a C-section. So a lot of these items are for, you know, if I have a vaginal birth. But let's get into baby boy's bag. This is his bag right here. Yeah, this is his baby bag, and it's big. It got so much space in it. This came from Amazon. I'm gonna link it for you. I forgot who got me this bag, but if you're watching my video and you know you got me this bag, thank you so much. And it's a big bag, y'all. What I love so much about this particular bag right here is that it has like, it keeps your bottles warm in here. Like it keeps your milk stowed because of the aluminum inside. But let's get into what's inside the bag. I have my breast pump needs that's inside of this bag. And this right here particular breast pump will be this one right here from Emotive. And I actually got this particular breast pump through my insurance. They actually just sent it to me. I will have 2 breast pumps. I have this one, which is a cord breast pump, and the other breast pump that I have is a cordless. So I'm gonna show y'all that. I'm gonna show you guys the cordless breast pump when I take you to the room to show you kind of like, you know, baby Q setup or whatever for his nesting when he gets here. But yeah, I'm taking my breast pump with me to the hospital so they can show me how to properly use the breast pump, because I don't know. I'm a new mom. Of course, I don't know how to use a breast pump. This bag also came with, did it come with a changing table? Yes, it came with a changing mat, but somebody actually sent me this. It's a changing mat. I'm also have this in his bag as well. And some water wipes just already inside. Like I said, shout out to my girl, Tati. She literally came over and she literally packed all this stuff for me because I didn't have the energy. But that breast pump, it comes with all of this stuff. Like, this is the batteries and the bottles and the pumps. So if you have insurance, you are entitled to a free breast pump, sis. Also, I have some more water wipes in his bag. And also in the bag, I have my medical records. These are the medical records that I filled out in my OB's office. And it kind of would just kind of, you know, take down the time of you doing a whole bunch of paperwork by the time you get ready to go into the hospital, you know, go into labor and delivery. So your OB or your doctor's office will, you know, go over some paperwork with you before you go into labor. So I made sure that I packed this inside of this bag. Like I said, this particular bag came with a changing table, and this is the changing table that it came with. You know, traveling, because you gotta change baby diaper real quick, like. But his someone gifted him a changing table, so I'm gonna also put that in here as well. I'm also gonna probably put some more stuff in here, y'all. I'm not done adding things. I just want to show y'all what I had in here so far, because baby, who knows, by next week I probably want to went on into labor and won't even have time to make this video. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to show the girlies what I got so far, or what I have so far. So like I said, if you have a breast pump, bring with you to the hospital. If you have insurance, you are entitled to a free breast pump and a free belly band. So yes, that's all I have in this bag. Like I'm gonna definitely add some more stuff in here. I got so much space, so I definitely will be adding some more stuff inside this bag once I go over everything. So take the breast pump with you so they can show you how to use the breast pump. I heard they will also show you how to get your baby the latch, wipes and all that stuff. But let's get down to the real baby bag. Like, there's so much stuff in this bag. Yeah. Okay, sis, this is mommy's bag slash baby bag. Like, I have everything, most of everything inside of this bag. Shout out to my sis Tiana for gifting me this bag. She gave me this bag when I first put my registry link out. She got me this bag, and it holds so much stuff, and I want to show you guys what I have inside of this bag. Again, this bag is also on Amazon. It's really nice, heavy duty. It has so much space in here. Like, I have some of my stuff and baby stuff inside of this bag, y'all. So let's get into what's in this bag. Okay, so first things first, I'm definitely bringing a Polaroid camera with me. So because I wanted to capture some newborn pictures of him. Not only I'm gonna have him a cute outfit. I'm having some pictures, everything's taken, but I wanted those old school style photos. So I ended up purchasing an Insta-X camera, like a Polaroid old school vibe, y'all. And you definitely can get this off of Amazon. I will also have this linked in my Amazon storefront for you guys. It came with 3 packs of film and like stickers or whatever like that. But y'all, I'm excited to use this. So yes, this is inside my baby bag. Kind of confused on like what size my baby might be, but I don't think my baby is gonna be that small. So either way it goes, I have options. So I have baby blankets. I have a baby swaddle. This one is like an automatic swaddle that all I have to do is literally put him in it and zip it up. Isn't that so cute? I recommend getting one of those. So if you don't know how to swaddle, but I want to learn, but if not, I do have him an automatic swaddle, a baby blanket. I packed him some little head beanies, like which goes with outfit, some socks. We have some socks inside of here. More cute little socks. I got him some onesies packed. Got him 2 of these. Like, I don't even know how long we're gonna be in the hospital. Like, never been in the hospital for this before, so I don't know. But I got him 2 of these of the same color, like this blue. Got him some of those, like I said too. Another little outfit. Like, I want my baby to be comfy. I don't want him to be hot and burning up. Another thing that I packed was when his godmama had made him a little travel luggage when we found out the gender, was these. Now, what I love so much about these is that these have the zippers that zip all the way down, which make it easy for you to change baby, and I absolutely love it. So that's why I said I have to bring. She gave me a lot of these, So I was like, I absolutely love this, so I have to bring this to the hospital with me. So this is in my hospital bag. It's one of his outfits. What else is in here? I got him some white onesies as well. Just something comfy for him to sleep in. Like, I just want options. I want my son to have the options, okay? Another burping cloth. Well, 2 birthing cloths. What else? Oh, another swaddler. A swaddler and a house pajama coat for me. Somebody gifted me this. Thank y'all so much. They got the baby swaddler to match the house coat. So I'll probably wear this like the first day, his first day out. I don't know, y'all, what y'all think, but I feel like this is really, really cute. So he'll be in this and I'll be in this. I thought that was so cute that somebody sent me that. So those are his clothes. Also, it's got a little head thing to go with it. Yeah, he probably gonna wear that on his first day out. He probably gonna wear that on his first day out. I know they will supply diapers at the hospital, so I have so many freaking diapers. I'm gonna show y'all later in the video, but I still might pack some inside this bag. If you are expecting mom, new mom, mom in the game, drop down below like what else should I be adding to this bag. But let's get into postpartum care, or after I have the baby care, or recovery care, what I have in my bag. Okay, sis, let's get into some postpartum recovery, or you know, pregnancy recovery things that you probably will need in your hospital bag. And I'm gonna show you a couple things that I have in mine. So one of my cousins who came to my baby shower, she is a nurse, so she literally got me the full Freedom Mom postpartum care package. So I have these, which are like the pads, like the Freedom Mom pads, and you actually can get the full package off of Amazon. So these are the full Freedom Mom pads. I've seen the girls put aloe vera, witch hazel, and put them in the refrigerator, not refrigerator, but the freezer to cool down that area after you have gave birth, to kind of like, you know, soothe and make you feel better. So I got those. I also have some nipple pads for any nipple leakage or nipple irritation. I also have some Freedom Mom prenatal. I also have some Freedom Mom cooling pad liners as well. I have these. So I have the Freedom Mom bottle. This is for like when you go to the restroom, but you know that, you know, down there gonna be a little sensitive when you take that first bathroom break. Down there gonna be a little sensitive, so I heard that you just squeeze down the water as you go to the restroom, so it won't be as painful. So I do have one of these. She also got these briefs, these panties you put the pads inside of to wear after you have given birth. I heard they are super duper comfortable, so I also have these and they stretch. You put the pad inside of them, and yeah, all that good stuff. I also have some regular maxi pads that I'm going to bring. I have some nursing bras. This is just one of my nursing bras, but I'm going to bring at least about 3 more nursing bras packed in my bag. This one is just more of a comfy bra with the padding. I also have the bras where you kind of clip and let go from Mom Cozy. I did a review on that. I think it's probably in my YouTube shorts. That's in my bag. And I also have some organic nipple balm to put in my bag, you know, for the nipples. And I also have some Aquaphor cream. It's very similar to Vaseline, but that Aquaphor, one of my cousins, she's an OBGYN. She's stationed in Arizona. She sent me that. And I honestly been using it, y'all, my whole pregnancy to rub on my belly, and I have not gained not one stretch mark. I don't know, is it because of the Aquaphor? But I have no stretch marks on my belly, y'all. I only have stretch marks. I only have stretch marks on my thighs. Like on the side, not even my thighs. I only have stretch marks on the side of my hips. I have no stretch marks on this 38-week belly. So let me take you out to the room and show you guys some other things that I do have on his carts and my cart and what I already prepared so far. Okay, see, so this is one of my hospital bags down here. I have not had the chance to finish packing it. Don't ask me why I got this beach hat in here, y'all, because I know I just got back from a trip, so I hadn't taken it out of there yet. But these are some of the items that I will be taking with me. Let's see, can I sit this up here? so I can show y'all. Whew. So y'all. So these are a couple items that I will be taking with me to the hospital for my comfort. Like I have some pajamas. I have like all of my pajamas that I'm taking with me to the hospital. I don't have pants. They all are like you know, slip-on gowns or dresses, honey, because I don't know what the deal gonna be, and I ain't got time to be trying to lift my legs up or nothing like that. I just want to put thing on and be on by my business. So I got 3 like nightgowns like this. I'm gonna show y'all. I can link this as well, and these are so comfortable. I already have been wearing these, but I got like some little gowns and stuff like this from Shein. I already purchased these little gowns, something to be comfortable with, honey. I got that. This one that says good morning. I got that. Oh yeah, and I'm gonna show y'all his other outfit that I wanted to put him in, but I think it's kind of big, and I think he's gonna grow into it, y'all. One of his aunties got him that, and it's so cute. And I went on his official photography. I'm waiting on his official outfit for his photo shoot. It has not gotten here yet, but his blankie has with his name on it. I have to show y'all that too, so remind me before we end this video. I got this early on in my pregnancy. I was just so happy to get this. And I'm definitely wearing this in the hospital. It says a mama on it. I'm definitely wearing this in the hospital, y'all, because this is so comfy. Like, this is so comfy. I'm wearing that. What else? You know, you pack your, I'm packing my my breastfeeding bras, undies, and all the extra stuff that I need in a go home outfit. This is also another bra, supportive bra top that I got. Some comfortable pants. This is just an option, and I'm gonna show you guys what else I will be probably taking with me. Yeah, is it because I've been using this? But this is what I have been using when I get out the shower. It's just Aquaphor. I know y'all can see it, but I love this stuff. What else? I got so many other options I can take. Oh yeah, I got this from me and Dad. This is probably gonna be another going home outfit for me. Something comfortable. It's kind of like a tube top with the pants. I enjoyed wearing stuff like this during my pregnancy, so I'm pretty sure after pregnancy these are going to be comfortable. Like, it's like the tube top bodysuit with the pants that flare out at the bottom, y'all. And I end up ordering. Okay, so this is baby's bassinet. Let me zoom out. This is his bassinet. So no, I'm not going to have none of these, but these are just some gifts that some of my friends purchased. Like one of these nursing little boppy things. But this is his bassinet. I have it set up already. When he get here, I'm going to turn this to the side of the bed. But that's his bassinet. On this side, I do have a white warmer right here. The white noise sound machine. This is a picture when we found out that he was a boy. Already washed and folded up his clothes. Y'all, one of the outfits that his aunties got him, y'all. And her mom made this, and everything is crochet. Everything is crochet. So this is the little overall is crochet, and this is so cute. I love it, but I don't think he'll be able to fit this right out the room. But this is so freaking cute. I absolutely love this. So this is the overalls that go with it.